So this next 15 minutes, I think I will wind up when it hits 10 past 55. I will wind up. 10 minutes. Give me your 10 minutes. Because this next 10 minutes is all going to be about me. It's about you. It's about your transformation to self. And then it's about your transformation to capital I. Okay, so this transformation, let us experience this transformation. Are you ready?
Yes.
So just to make yourself ready, I will say, how's the Josh? You will say,
No, sir.
then I'll raise my voice, you raise your voice, I raise my voice, I'll give it. Can we do that?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
So every day, a new information in the morning, get the technique in the afternoon, and in the evening you will have knowledge. We will take that knowledge, we will practice and increase our understanding. Every day, new information, a new technique, a new knowledge, practice, understanding. This is 24/7. This is round the clock. Every morning I come to the class because so much of information. And when we go back home, we have to find the technique. So in the evening, what you should get?
Knowledge.
So I means me, myself. My name is Rajiv Pandey. I live in Thane West. I have done my bachelor's in graduation and I have done BSc in IT. What is the technique? I have done my Aadhaar card and the biometric analysis is telling me that there is nobody else in the whole world like. Do I have a duplicate copy?
No.
I am original. Do I have a replacement? I am?
Unique.
Oh, thank you so much. Hashtag unique. Because unique subject के ऊपर only Undir Mama can speak. That's challenge. Uniqueness. मैं. What do you think about yourself? Means a transformation to self. Aadhaar card. Now Aadhaar card की आगे जाना है अपने को. You have your Aadhaar card ready?
Yes.
Now let's ask that Aadhaar card. Tell me what is that is unique in me? Because Aadhaar card ka all the biometric information is with the government. It is with the government. All your Aadhaar card information. When you went to the Aadhaar card machine, they asked you to give your 10 finger scan. Because this is something will never change. Everything else can change. Your girlfriends can change. Your commitments can change. Your friends can change. Your career may change. But these things will not change. So the basics of what is I, when I say I means now you come to the next stage. तो मैंने क्या बोला आपको? First, you don't know yourself. Number one, I challenge you. You don't know yourself. Then I tell you, आप जब आपका self आपके सामने आएगा ना, you will be fear. आप डरोगे. किससे मालूम है? What's your name?
Amay.
Full name.
Amay Dere.
Okay, Ameya. When he comes in front of Ameya, he will have fear. 110%. Because to kill that fear, he will need motivation. And then only he will transform to capital I. And that is everyday game, huh? How many people have seen the film Sultan? It is always you versus you. It is always you versus you. Every day. And if you are in this game, you versus you now, every day is Sunday. I promise. तो आपका जो fear है ना, it is like a tiger, it is in the jungle. तो आप गन लेके निकले हो जाए PUBG. And then you are ready to get your fear in front of you. फियर होना चाहिए ना सामने, तब कॉन्फिडेंस की जरूरत पड़ेगी, राइट? नहीं तो कैसे है मालूम है? कभी शेर सामने आया नहीं और हम लोग लाइन पढ़ रहे हैं, यू नकोस मी तुझे पाटिशिया, this information is not working for me for so long. This information is not working for me for so long. So what do? I look at the time. What do? किधर है fear? किधर है fear? सामने लेके get it in front of you. Every day you cannot kill your fear. Fear को आप खत्म कर सकते हैं क्या? Are you going to kill your fear? Never. The fear is like coronavirus. It is going to be there, and you cannot kill it, but you can hunt it. देखो, आपका fear आपके पीछे पड़े, आप अपने fear के पीछे पड़ जाओ. That's the only way. And then you need confidence, and then you need motivation, and then you reach to that level of I. And when you introduce yourself to any people, who are you? I am a graphic designer. Who are you? I am a psychologist. Who are you? I am a public speaker. Who are you? I am a social media marketing head. Who are you? I am a technology head of Mumbai. Who are you? I am an events guy. Who are you? Branding. So what I think about myself, that is what I am going to be, right? एक मिनिट हिंदी में बोलो. तुम्ही तुमच्याबद्दल काय
विचार
करता ते तुम्ही बनणार. And when you think about yourself, what do you want to be in your life? No, this awareness, who is doing that awareness? Self-awareness. And what you think about yourself. See, you are using YouTube or YouTube is using you. You are using PUBG or PUBG is using you. You are using the TV or TV is using you. You are using the Bollywood industry or Bollywood industry is using you. ये आपको पता चलेगा ना कि your self-awareness success हो जाएगा. But who is using whom? So that is the thing. It is about your career. This thing is about your career. And happiness क्या होता है? You know, it is something that you are thinking, and what you are thinking is makes you happy. Happiness is not in the things; it is in your thoughts, right? So what you are thinking. So if you want to be happy every day at the cost of career, this is a session for you. But you want to have a successful career at the cost of happiness, ये वीडियो बंद कर यार, बंद कर. नहीं, not you. If you want to be successful at the cost of your happiness, switch off this video. But if you want to be successful and happy, this is the video you are watching. So not anything at the cost of happiness. And you have to live yourself. And when you challenge yourself, you have some people like Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. You know Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak?
Yes.
Famous line. स्वराज्य माझे जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार आहे आणि मी ते घेणारच. नहीं, हमको ऐसा बस हिंदी मामा वर्जन में कैसा ना कि छीन झपट के लेंगे. वो तो लोकमान्य तिलक थे, वो रिस्पेक्टफुली मांग रहे हैं मेरा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार. मैं तो छीन झपट की. थिंग इज दैट व्हाट यू थिंक अबाउट योरसेल्फ एंड हु इज आस्किंग. किसी ने पकड़ के रखा है आधार कार्ड के आगे मत जाओ, आई सेल्फ के बाद आई के पास मत जाओ. व्हाट इज आई एम गोइंग टू हेल्प यू गेट दिस 96% accuracy के साथ. The technology we call it is called DMIT, and this technology is telling you out of 10 multiple intelligence, which is that intelligence which is there inside you. So what are those 9, 10 multiple intelligence? Let us list it on the board for the first time. So first is people who are very intrapersonal. There are second is people who are very interpersonal. The third one is people who are linguistic. who are very good with their language ability. Fourth is people who are having music as a therapy. Fifth is people who are kinesthetic, who are into sports. Then there is a sixth called logic smart. So logic smart. Then 7 we have visual spatial. Then we have 8 who are existential. And then we have 9 and 10. And there is one more. This one more I don't know, but it's not fitting in the board. But I don't have that in my brain right now. But these are those intelligence. And out of these 10, what is the top 3 in me? So this is the accurate information which you will get in 27-page booklet. The booklet. Yeah. So this booklet. Now the thing is that this booklet is costing you around rupees 5,600. 2017. Then lockdown came. Famous. Now we are exactly at rupees 4,000 because of lockdown. People don't have money. So here's the offer for all of you, and that is from Undir Mama Company. The offer is that you do your DMIT for rupees 4,000. We will give you rupees 60,000 of voucher. Rupees 40,000 of trademark registered office. So 40,000 is the investment to start your own business. We will start your business. The business on the basics of your DMIT report. See, whether you make a business of 100 rupees or 1,000 rupees, it is your business end of the day. So the DMIT report is not working. What happens, people do this DMIT report and they are still hanging here. वो DMIT report निकालते हैं ऐसे और फिर उसको इतना सम्मान के साथ ऐसी जगह पे रखते हैं ना जहाँ पे ये आउट ऑफ रेंज हो जाता है ये DMIT. So for me DMIT is something like this, but I know this is out of range. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak was sitting in the jail. You know why? Because he wanted this to be in the syllabus. तो जेल में क्यों गए? He wanted this to be in the syllabus, and he was saying that I will translate in the jail chapter number 3 to Marathi, Gita Rahasya, before I die. And he did. And still it is a rahasya, whether people know Bhagavad Gita or not. So Lokmanya Tilak का जो vision था, I moved. I transformed myself. Why should I not? And who is stopping me? If I'm asking you, give me rupees 4,000, I will give you something worth 1 lakh. Who is stopping you? We want this registration on 2nd of October with Riddhi.